Hey folks, Ray from loveyourrv.com. Well, our string of really nice weather on the coast has finally run out. Got a kind of a socked in rainy day today on the estuary, which is okay. It'll keep things green and hopefully keep down the forest fires this summer. We need some moisture. It's been a while. Anyway, sort of busying myself inside, going over some new product that I picked up. This is to connect two wires together, so it's kind of a tip if you want an easy way to connect two wires for your RV projects or repairs. Generally in the past you've seen me solder small wires together. With my background in electronics repair, I find soldering quite easy, but a lot of people don't make great solder joints, or they don't want to buy a crimper and do the crimp connections. So I had a tip from a few people online that have told me about these things called lever nuts. So got a package here of different sized lever nuts. Well, actually they're the same size. They can take I think they take from like 18 to 12 gauge wires, but you can see this is to join two wires, and there's another one here for 3, and even some for up to 5 wires to join together. But basically you just put the wire in the hole, open the levers, put the wire in the hole, and it makes a good connection, quick and easy. The other advantage is it's easy to disassemble something and take them off again versus, you know, unsoldering or trying to get old crimps off. So just let me demo this for you. Okay, so you just stick the wire into one of the holes like so, and then these levers push down, the other one in there, just like that. You have a good solid connection in there. And say you wanted to open it, it's just as simple as opening the levers. So those are kind of cool little things. It's a good tip that I got there. I took one apart if you want to see what's inside here. There we go. So you just have the plastic levers casing, and then this is the heart of the thing. There's kind of a springy steel in here, and the ends are kind of sharp, so it bites into the wire when it springs shut. So there you go, a little tip for you. Quick and easy wire connections, no tools required, well, other than a wire stripper. That's about it. Well, I'll get back to working on a fairly major post. I'm going to update the truck after 10,000 miles. Come back with an update on how it did this snowbird season. Got about 5,000 miles of towing on it now, so I got a pretty good handle on it. So stay tuned for that in the next little while. Till next time, Ray from loveyourrv.com. Cheers, folks.